Hey guys, today we're going to continue playing another listening game where we're thinking about the parts of a word. Last time I saw you guys, we were talking about the beginning sound of the word and then the rest of the word. And that's what we're going to do again today, just in a little different format. So I've got my people magnets here. See them? Okay. And they're going to represent the parts of a word. One will have the first sound. And then this one will represent the rest of the word. So let me show you. I think you'll get the hang of it pretty quickly. All right, let's pretend this guy right here, he is the sound S. And then this one, he says un. S. Un makes sun. Let's try that again. S. Un makes sun. See that? All right, let's try it with a different word. Let's say this guy over here, he's the sound F. Say that. F. And then this one over here, he's going to say the rest of the word. Ish. Ish. Say that with me. Ish. F. Ish makes fish. Did you hear that? Awesome. Let's try a different word. This one is going to be the first sound in the word, eh. Say that with me. Eh. And then this guy, he's going to be the rest of our word. He's going to say g. Say that sound. G. If we have eh, g, it makes egg. Eh, g, egg. Ooh, let's do a different one. How about if this is our first sound, b. Say that, b. And then over here we've got ox. Say that sound, ox. B, ox. B, ox makes box. How about this one representing a new word, p. Say that first sound, p. Very good. This is the rest of the word. It's going to be ig. Say that. Ig. Do you know what my word is? P. Ig makes pig. P. Ig makes pig. Very good. Let's try a different word. In this word, this first guy, he's going to make our first sound, and it's going to be the k sound. Say that. Very good. The rest of the word over here, ite. Say, ite. Great. So we've got k, ite, k, ite, k, ite makes kite. Very good, you guys. Excellent, excellent job. Let's do one more word. Oh, I have one. Let's try the first sound being, can you say that? And the rest of the word is at. Say at. If we put those together, at, it makes hat. Did you hear that? At makes hat. So you see how when we think about the parts of words, the first sound and then the rest of the word, we can put it together to make the real word. Great job, you guys, at our listening game today, and I'll keep up the good work, and I'll see you soon.